Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need iOS 14 or newer and the latest YouTube app or Safari. First, enable Picture-in-Picture in Settings General Picture-in-Picture so the system is ready. Open YouTube in the app or Safari and sign in if you want subscriptions remembered. Once done, start playing any video and prepare to leave the app or use the PyP control. This triggers the next step. Make sure background app refresh and notifications won't interrupt playback. Now you activate PyP. While playback runs, swipe up or press home to go to the home screen. The video should shrink into a floating window. If it doesn't, tap the PyP icon in the player or long press the media in Safari. You can drag the window, pinch to resize, and use play/pause or skip. Tap the PyP to reveal more controls like return to app or close. These gestures make multitasking smooth, so practice moving and resizing quickly. To finish, tap the PyP window and choose Return to App for full screen viewing or drag it to a corner and tap X to close. If you want audio only, pause the video to save battery. If PyP fails, restart the YouTube app, toggle Picture-in-Picture off and on in Settings, or open the same video in Safari. Often Safari allows PyP when the app blocks it. If problems persist, reboot your iPhone. That clears permissions and background glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.